Here we are at the side of our house looking at the heat pump. This particular heat pump will provide enough heating and hot water for this property year round. The heat pump works by compressing the air fed into the back of the unit, then expelling it from the front of the unit. There's a compressor inside. When the air is condensed, that condensation of air turns into heat, which is then fed in to the pipes into your property, into your radiators or underfloor heating. Paired up with this is also a hot water storage tank inside. What we've seen over the recent months and years is all the bad press about heat pumps. This we've found is primarily down to poor design. What we do is, first off, before looking at the property owners or the heat pump itself, is we look at the property. What we're calculating is how much heat does this property lose. Then we match that with sizing the pump correctly to replace that heat. We do this by looking at the makeup of the property, the type of structure, the type of insulation. We get that right from the beginning, then we can size the heat pump properly. Pairing this unit up with our solar, PV and battery backup system, we can really maximize the energy efficiency of this home. So we've calculated that this property has a heat loss of just over 2,500 watts. This 5 kilowatt heat pump will easily replace that 2,500 watt loss at a temperature of -2 degrees, at a flow rate of 45 degrees, giving us an efficiency of 3.65, or in other words, 365%. This means that when this unit consumes 1 kilowatt of electricity, it will provide 3.65 kilowatts of heat to the home. So what does that mean financially? Well, electricity is typically 3 times as expensive as gas, so we try to achieve a minimum of 300% efficiency. Anything above 300% efficiency, in this case 365, means it's actually cheaper to run the heat pump than it is a gas boiler year round. So this is why it's so important to calculate these systems correctly at the design stage, because paired up with our solar PV system, and we really do gain the maximum efficiency of these combined units.